Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sapa Patrick and I am a skin specialist and a cosmetosurgeon. I have passed from this school in the year 2008. I would just like to tell you that we have been very lucky to have been studying in one of the best school with the best teachers we can have. They are very loving, caring, knowledgeable and helpful. I would just like to tell you to stay focused, study hard, study well, excel with flying colors, stay safe and happy Children's Day.
Hi everybody, I am Mustafa Khan. I am an ex-student of Queen Mary's High School and Junior College. I have completed my SSC in the year 2012. Currently, I am an MBBS doctor. I feel very lucky to be a part of this wonderful institution. I am very thankful to all the teachers and especially our respected Principal Madam who has helped me and every child out there to shape his or her future. I want to tell you one thing, that if you want to achieve your goals, you have to move out of your comfort zone. And even if you fail, do not worry, just get up and start again, because life is not a bed of roses. Also, in these tough times, please stay home and stay safe. Happy Children's Day!
Hello, my fellow juniors, Queen Marians. This is Dr. Nida Shah. I've passed out from Queen Mary's back in 2011, and I tell you one thing: Queen Mary's is one of the most wonderful thing that has ever happened to me. It's one of the most wonderful institute I've been in, and whatever I am today, it's because of my school. स्कूल ना एक फैंटेसी लैंड है, एक ऐसा फैंटेसी लैंड जहाँ हर चीज़ अच्छी होती है, हर तरफ खुशी होती है, एंड यू आर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, you're with your teachers, and everything seems so beautiful, so wonderful. The real life waits after you complete your school, and your school prepares you to enter and face your real life. So whatever you do in your school, it has a 99.99 impact that you will do in your real life when you pass out your SSC, your 10th standard. I'll tell you one thing: your school shapes you, your school molds you, and this is the place where you have to make yourself, where you have to mold your own self. And the school is one of the biggest deciding factor on what you are going to be in your future life ahead. Be whatever you want, be whatever you want, do whatever you want to do. Okay, be happy. You want to be a doctor, be a doctor. You want to be a lawyer, be a lawyer. You want to be a painter, be a painter. You want to be nothing, be nothing. But be happy. That's the goal. That is the achievement. Staying happy in today's world is an achievement. Staying satisfied with what you are and what you are doing is one of the biggest achievements. सबसे बड़ा कंसर्न हमारी स्कूल लाइफ में ये होता है कि हम परसेंटेज कौन सा लाए. 90%, 70, 60, 50, 40, 35 या 35 के भी नीचे. 90% लाए तो लाइफ सेट, मतलब तुम इंटेलिजेंट हो. 70s, 80s लाए तो तुम एवरेज हो. 60s मतलब सो. 50s, 40s लाए तो गए काम से, तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. ये सबसे बड़ा मिथ है जिसको हमें मिलकर पूरा करना है. सी, it's not bad to bring 90 above, and it's not bad to be under 40%. Okay, it's just that you have to give your 100% to what you believe in and what you can do. If you can be a student that can score above 90, why not? And बहुत ज़्यादा कोशिशें करने के बावजूद भी अगर आप 40 क्रॉस नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो इसमें आपकी कोई गलती नहीं है. ओके, यू हैव टू फुलफिल योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस फर्स्ट. आपके पेरेंट्स, आपके टीचर्स, आपके चाचा के, मामा के, फूफा के, कोई भी रिलेटिव दूर के, आपके नेबर्स आप पे क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं ये आपका कंसर्न नहीं है. आप अपना 100% दो. इफ़ यू कैन ब्रिंग, इफ़ यू कैन स्कोर, एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू स्कोर अबव 90, यू हैव टू डू इट. यू हैव टू गिव दैट इनपुट. ओके, और अगर आप नहीं ला पा रहे हो तो आप नहीं ला पा रहे हो, नॉट अ बिग डील. ओके, वन डे इन लाइफ आपको नहीं पता कि आप कहाँ रहने वाले, क्योंकि हर इंसान अपने टाइमलाइन के हिसाब से काम करता है. कल जो बच्चा 90% ला के स्कूल में फर्स्ट आता था, आज वो ही स्ट्रगल कर रहा है। और कल जिसका 40% आता था स्कूल में, जिसको लोग डम्बो कह के बुलाते थे, आज एक वेल सेटल्ड इंसान है जो कि अपनी लाइफ में खुश है। सो परसेंटेज डज मैटर, ओके, परसेंटेज डज मैटर, बट उसको कितना प्रेफरेंस और कितना इंपॉर्टेंस देना ये आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है।
Hi everybody, my name is Lubna and I'm one of the students from the pilot batch who cleared 10th in 1999-2000. It's a great pleasure and opportunity to thank our respected principal madam and all my beloved teachers from Queen Mary's High School, and wish you all a very happy Children's Day too. I had great memories of my school days and all are equally important. I would just like to say that you are into best hands in best school. So just focus on what you like and you want it to be. Plan accordingly, and you have great teachers who will assist you to take out the best from you. Remember children, your childhood is a gift. So enjoy, work hard, be strong and be happy too. That's all from me. Thank you very much. All the very best to all of you.
Hello, Queen Marians. I'm an ex-student of Queen Mary's 1999-2000, Abdul Wahab Dabawala. There are many moments in my school days of Queen Mary's, but the one moment which I like too much was when I was given a character of Chakki Wala Bhaiya, for which I has got I got the first prize for that, and I enjoyed that character too much. And thanks for my school teachers and my friends. Still we are the friends, still we are in contact with each other. So enjoy your life, enjoy your school days. Thank you, take care, bye bye.
Respected principal, teachers, friends, and all my grand juniors. This is Mushafa Golandas from the SSC batch 2012. Currently, I am doing my internship in Bachelor's of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery. I would say that those were the golden days of my life, where I have enjoyed my life to the fullest, where I have learned many things from our school teachers, and definitely I would like to take the name of my school, my favorite teachers. Firstly, Sharma sir, then Vandana ma'am, Shaista ma'am, of course, she is my 6th standard class teacher. Shizwalkar ma'am, she seems to be a bit strict, but trust me, she is very kind-hearted. And Altaf sir, all my 10th standard subject teachers, language teachers. Anthony sir. Then I miss my computer lab where we used to run and go and sit on the favorite computer. Though I have learned many things from the school, the manners, the ethics which we get from the school, I would say, definitely helps in future.
Hey friends, this is Iram Surve. I passed out from Queen Mary's High School and Junior College with my secondary school certificate in the year 2016 with an amazingly good score of 94.60%. My journey in Queen Mary's began in 2006, and what I have received in those 10 years cannot be put into few sentences. For all the lessons are irreplaceable, and I cannot be thankful enough to all my teachers and other staff members out there. Those premises have imbibed in me the discipline and values that I carry today and forever. I am now pursuing my bachelor's in homeopathic medicine and surgery. I want every one of you out there to stuff it in your mind that we are nothing without knowledge, and education is something that is going to differentiate us from others. We must all believe in ourselves, because self-love and self-confidence are the virtues that lay the foundation of success. Kindness is the key, and nothing, I mean absolutely nothing, can stop you from being your own self. So stay healthy and stay safe. Good luck.
Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. My name is Saman Gauss and I am an ex-student of Queen Mary's High School and Junior College. I passed out in 2016 and after passing out I did my coaching in Mumbai, and currently I am completing my BTech at IIT Guwahati. I would like to wish you all children of Queen Mary's a very happy Children's Day. More about myself. I am doing my BTech in Chemical Engineering along with a specialization in Mathematics. I like maths and try to implement those in computer programs. I try to reduce the time complexity involved in computer programs. About my teachers, I still remember teachers like Thomas sir, Altaf sir, Vandana miss, Najma miss. Everyone having different style of teaching. It was all due to them that I got interest in those subjects. I would like to give you a suggestion that instead of trying to improve the marks, you should try to improve the interest, increase the interest in a particular subject. That will be a driving force in learning more about that particular subject. I hope that you all will work very hard in your near future and bring glory to yourself, to your teachers and to your school. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Samina Kazi. I have done my postgraduate diploma in Human Resource Management. I was from 1999-2000 batch, which was the first batch of Queen Mary's. And I was very happy to be associated with that batch. I never realized that we would be making good memories from those times, as we always thought that we were just having fun. Although we cannot bring back those days, but such memories will always remain in our heart. Last but not least, I would like to convey my gratitude to our respected Principal Madam and all our dear teachers, Asturi Ma'am, Fernandez Ma'am, Farzana Ma'am, Jamila Ma'am, Srivastav Sir, and many more whom I have not mentioned here. Also, I would like to request you to pray for our friend who is fighting for the life, who is met with an accident. And thank you everyone.
Hello Queen Marians, my name is Tanzila. I am from 99 batch. I just want to wish you all that hustle hard, study hard and achieve your goal. Whatever your goal is, study hard. I just want to share a memory that all my memories are lovely and most precious. But the thing what I remember most is participating in all the competitions, participating in annual functions, which I have never seen those time other school used to take. And those memories are my most cherished memories. And I hope that you all are going to treasure them, make them as much as you can, and study hard and try to achieve whatever you all want to achieve in your life. Best of luck, good luck from Tanzila.
Hello everyone, I am Sidra Sayyed, an ex-student of Queen Mary's High School and Junior College. Currently, I am studying as a 4th year medical student in Arkhangelsk, Russia. And I would like to wish you all a very happy Children's Day. It has been a very long time, but the memories of my school are still refreshing and amazing to me as it was just about yesterday. Indeed, Queen Mary's is one of those crucial pillars through which I am standing firmly today. I am thankful to all my teachers, supervisors and everyone who have made my journey a memorable one, taught me value of education and make me confident enough to face the real world. I especially thank Vandana Miss, Shabana Miss, Shabina Miss, Thomas Sir, Sharma Sir, Minaz Miss, Shankar Sir and many more who have recognized my potential and encouraged me to do my best. As a student, I was very quiet, barely participated in extracurricular activities but was good in academics. On this occasion, I would like to share you a small incident of the past. I was in 9th standard and we were having a science class, and Minaz ma'am, who was the supervisor at that time, suddenly came and decided us to teach biology. She asked us one question, that there is a plant which is white in color but considered vestigial, and why it is vestigial. Obviously I knew the answer, but I was just afraid to stand up and speak out loud. Just anxious what others would think of me. She spent us 5 minutes for us to answer, encouraging us, giving examples about Einsteins and dolphins. But still I was afraid, hiding inside the cocoon, and after a few minutes she told the answer. I realized that moment, if I had spoken up, maybe the entire class would have clapped for me, and I regret that moment. I knew many of us had gone through the situations, and I request all of you to break those chains of fear. Fear is just a tiny pebbles and obstacles in your road of achievement, and you must crush it and move on. And this would not have been possible without the presence of teacher in my life. Life is amazing, and teacher had to prepare himself as a medium for that amazement.
हेलो गाइस, माय नेम इज़ मुल्ला जीशान. आई एम फ्रॉम 6th D. मैं आपको एक ट्रिक दिखाने वाला हूँ. इसके लिए मुझे चाहिए 8 कार्ड्स, जो कि मेरे पास है. 4 क्वीन है और 4 किंग्स है. अब मेरी सिस्टर यहाँ पे वो सिलेक्ट करेगी. मैं अपनी आँख बंद कर देता हूँ. ओके. अभी मैं इसमें एक करूँगा, अप एंड डाउन करूँगा. मैं अप एंड डाउन करूँगा. मैं ये मैं 3 टाइम्स करूँगा, और ऐसे ऊपर के कार्ड में यहाँ पे निकाल लूँगा. अभी मेरी सिस्टर यहाँ पे बोलेगी अब तुम्हारे कार्ड है या नहीं है. ओके, तुम्हारे कार्ड है यहाँ पे. अभी मैं वापस से इसको करूँगा. ये निकाल लिया मैंने ऊपर गिरा. अभी बोलो है या नहीं तुम्हारा कार्ड. है. ओके, चलो. अब ये फाइनल टाइम में करूँगा इसको, और ये टाइम पे भी तुम बोलना क्या तुम्हारा कार्ड है या नहीं है. ओके. ये मैंने ऊपर के कार्ड निकाल लिया. अभी बोलो तुम्हारा कार्ड है या फिर नहीं है. नहीं है. ओके, तुम्हारा कार्ड नहीं है ये वाली है. अभी ये पूरा हो चुका है. अभी मैं राइट लेफ्ट ऐसे कार्ड रखूँगा एक एक करके. ये भी मैं 3 टाइम्स रिपीट करूँगा. अभी मैं किंग से क्वीन से कुछ सवाल पूछता हूँ कार्ड से, और वो खुद डिस्क्राइब करेगा क्या वो किंग या क्वीन है. कार्ड 2 किंग है या क्वीन है. ओके, ही इज़ किंग. मेरे को नहीं मालूम किंग था. यस. ओके, अभी मैं वापस से इसको करता हूँ रिपीट, और अभी दूसरा सवाल पूछूंगा क्या कार्ड तुम रेड हो या ब्लैक हो. ओके. रेड था. यस. ओके, रेड था. अब ये फाइनल टाइम है. मैंने कार्ड ऐसे रख दिया. अभी लास्ट क्वेश्चन, कार्ड तुम डायमंड हो या हार्ड हो. डायमंड. ओके, ये फाइनल कार्ड तुम्हारा था जो कि था किंग ऑफ डायमंड. तो गाइस, आई होप आपको ये ट्रिक पसंद आई होगी. बाय बाय.
Hi everyone, my name is Hamdan Khan and I'm proud to be the ex-Queen Marian student from the pilot batch in the year 1999. I just want to say study hard so you can do well in life. You've got the best teachers at Queen Mary's, so you make the most of it. One memory, there's so many memories. There's one I can think of which is very funny now. I had 2 examinations in one day, and I turned up and I was revising as usual. What we used to do at that time, we used to turn up a bit early and chit chat here and there, musty a bit. And on that day, there was nobody outside. It was quiet, and I was thinking, "Oh, I'm well early," but it was getting roundabout time to start the paper, and there was nobody outside. I was like, "Okay." And then all of a sudden, I see all my classmates walking out of the school, and everybody's looking at me as if I've done something. And I was like, "Oh, I don't have to worry because I'm well early. You guys are late. I don't know what you guys were doing outside." And it turned out to be I completely missed my paper. My first paper, I had no idea and I missed it. What a horrible situation to be in. I laugh now, but it was you don't want to be in that situation. That's one memory, and there's so many with teachers in the picnic, and Srivastav sir, Jamila miss, Saida madam. All respect to you guys. Because of your hard work, I'm here what I am today. Alhamdulillah. And all I have to say, just all the best. Good luck for your future, and stay safe.
Hello everyone, my name is Minas. I am one of the ex-students from the first batch of the school, Queen Mary's. I am very much thankful to Mrs. Saida ma'am, who has still remembered us. School memories. What all fun, masti, studies we used to do with our friends, our teachers. I still remember that. I still remember one thing our principal Saida ma'am used to say: children, there are 365 days in a year. If you learn one word from the dictionary each day, imagine you will learn 365 words. You were right, ma'am. We used to go for picnic, do lots of masti with our teachers and our friends. I would say to all the students of the Queen Mary's that if you feel like studying is boring, many of you might be feeling that studying is boring, but if you be free with your teachers will surely cooperate with you. This is my personal experience. So be free with your teachers and enjoy your study. Ma'am, please make a reunion for us, your ex-student. Love you all, miss you, happy Children's Day, and enjoy, and do remember us in Children's Day. Bye bye.
बहुत कुछ कहा है अपनी माँ के बारे में, पर आज पापा मैं तुमसे कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ कि माँ अगर जन्नत तो आप जन्नत के भगवान, कि माँ अगर खीर तो आप मीठे पकवान, कि माँ अगर आयत तो आप पूरी कुरान। लव यू मेरे पापा, तुझ में बसती है मेरी जान।
Hey, hi guys. It's so good to be speaking directly to you guys. 15 years ago, I used to be sitting in the same place that you guys are sitting. I was taught by the same great teachers that teach you. My name is Atif Kirbelkar, and I'm a software developer at a bank in Toronto. And I'm an ex-Queen Marian from the batch of 2005. Right, so it's been so long since I have graduated from Queen Mary's High School, but I still have all those fond memories, all those friendships that I made in Queen Mary's High School, and all those learnings from the very great teachers of Queen Mary's High School. My best friends are still the same people from the school, and my wife is my friend from Queen Mary's High School. So yes. I'd like to give my 2 cents to all of you that make a lot of friends and make a lot of mistakes, but grow from them. Respect each other, no matter how different you all are from each other, because the society is made up of different kinds of people, and every one of us has a place in the society. And last but not the least, respect your teachers. It's a very difficult job that they do. And I know because I have burnt my hand at teaching. Believe me, it's very difficult to teach someone, let alone to teach people who don't want to learn from you. So, that's it from me. Bye for now, and wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Thanks.
Hello everyone, I am Furkana Tinwala. I am a postgraduate in Medical Lab Technology. I have passed from Queen Mary's High School in the year 1999-2000, and ours was the very first batch. I am very thankful to all my teachers and my dear principal for all the hard work and the efforts that they have taken in shaping my future. I am lucky enough to be a part of this institution, which I can say as one of the best, to inculcate the values of discipline, punctuality, and sheer determination to reach my goals. To all the kids here, I would just like to say one thing, that you are in one of the best school with the best teachers, and so try to prove yourselves to be the best and make everyone proud. Happy Children's Day. Bye.
आप सभी को मेरी तरफ से प्यार भरा सुप्रभात। आशा करती हूँ कि आप सब सही सलामत होंगे। मैं शेख मीसा 9वीं कक्षा से आज बाल दिवस के दिन आपके सामने कुछ प्रस्तुत करना चाहूँगी। माँ की कहानियाँ थी परियों का फसाना, माँ की कहानियाँ थी परियों का फसाना, बचपन का तो वह हर मौसम का सुहाना। ना सुबह की कुछ फिक्र थी, ना ही शाम का ठिकाना, ना सुबह की कुछ फिक्र थी, ना ही शाम का ठिकाना। थक हार कर स्कूल से घर आना, पर फिर भी खेलने ना भूल जाना। मैडम आज हमको ना डांटना, आज हम खेलेंगे, गाएंगे और मस्ती करेंगे, क्योंकि पूरे साल किया हमने इंतजार, आज हमसे बाल दिवस मनाएंगे। बाल दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
One, two, three.